Hello, good day, and welcome. I'll be answering WAEC 2020 Mathematics Past Question 14. Make M the subject formula of the relation K is equals to square root M minus Y all over M plus 1. So as we make M the subject of this relation, K is equals to square root of M minus Y all over M plus 1. And the first thing we need to do is to eliminate the square root, and by eliminating the square root, you simply square both sides. So squaring both sides, we'll have k square is equals to the square. Now we eliminate the square root, so giving us m minus y all over m plus 1. Now we cross multiply, so giving us k square into m plus 1 is equals to m minus y. So we have k squares into m, so that will give us k square m plus, then k square plus times 1 will give us k square is equals to m minus y. Now when we collect like terms, we can have, collecting like terms now, we can have k square plus y is equals to m minus k square m. That is bringing negative y here, it becomes positive y, then taking positive k square m here, it becomes negative k square m. So now from here we'll have that k square plus y is equals to m into 1 minus k square, m into 1 minus k square. So now the next thing is to divide both sides by 1 minus k square, which is the coefficient of m. So 1 minus k square all over 1 minus k square. This will cancel this, liberating m. So therefore m is equals to k square plus y all over 1 minus k square, and that is option B. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to this channel for more videos and past questions.